drop girls off. We don't know where we're at. We're not even from here.
Yeah, that's
You're not about to just drop us off. We don't know nobody here. Take us to our house where we paid for to go. We got a
I don't have
mask.
that trip anymore. It is canceled.
And now fuck the mask. Yeah, what's up?
Y'all make me sick. Y'all make me.
My boyfriend he taught me, don't let nobody play with you, smack the out them. And he lucky as hell I ain't have nothing on me on mamas, because if he would have played with me, bruh, it would have been a whole different story. I'm finna sue Uber for, they seen the whole video, so they know they dead ass wrong, so where my check at? Where's my check?
What's going on? Y'all are going to jail! Period!